Thank you very much for attending, and special thank you to Nandagopal Prabhu for enlightening us, speaking so sweetly and so spiritually. Um, the appearance of Lord Balram is the most magnificent appearance. Why? One could say, oh, all appearances are most magnificent, Prabhuji. Why Lord Balram? So I will explain in a minute or two. There are so many mothers, especially when you come to Krishna consciousness, everybody is a Mataji. Mataji, 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 Mataji. So many mothers. We've never had so many mothers before. Ever since we came to Krishna consciousness, so many Matajis, so many Matajis. Matajis are going almost dime a dozen. So much so that some Matajis refer to themselves as Mataji. That is a big mistake. We should never call ourselves Mataji. Mataji is a very big designation. We should not take it cheaply. It is not cheap. Just like you would not refer to yourself as Sir. My name is Sir so and so. Similarly, you should not be referring to yourself as Mataji. Mataji is a very big designation. It is earned. Somebody gives it to us. We don't take it ourselves. We don't call ourselves Prabhu, do we? The men in Krishna consciousness don't call themselves, my name is so-and-so Prabhu. No, we call ourselves so-and-so Das. And the Matajis call themselves, I am so-and-so Dasi. Or I am Bhaktin so-and-so, not Mataji. In any case, otherwise, even outside of ISKCON, there are so many mothers. How many mothers? At least 7 mothers are mentioned. Ganga is a mother. Janani, the birth-giving mother. The mother who looks after you. The wife of the Acharya is the mother. There's so many mothers. But all of us or any of us in one body or one Leela can only have one Janani. Janani is the birth-giving mother. The birth-giving mother can only be one, not 2, not 3, not any. I can call anybody Mataji, but I cannot call anybody Janani. My Janani is one who actually gave me birth from her own womb. That's my only Janani. So even the Supreme Personality of Godhead, when He appears all the time in all incarnations, even the Supreme Personality of Godhead only has one Janani. One mother who is birth-giving mother. The only exception is Lord Balram. Lord Balram does not have one Janani, he has 2. Very, very strange phenomenon that Lord Balram actually has 2 Jananis, 2 mothers that he takes birth from the womb of. 2 mothers, 2 birth-giving mothers. Devi Devaki. He first appears in the womb of Mother Devaki in the prison house of Kansa, where Vasudev and Devaki were imprisoned. So he appears in the womb of Devaki and according to the divine arrangement, after 7 months of pregnancy, Mother Devaki performs the Leela of dropping that child. she drops that child. Actually, arrangement was made by Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, through Yog Maya to extract Lord Balram from the womb of Mother Devaki at 7 months. And then implant her, take her to Gokul, where Mother Rohini was, and inject her into her womb. So, all of the sudden, one day, Mata Rohini woke up to find out that she is pregnant. And now she is crying all over the place. I haven't even seen my husband in so many years, and I am pregnant. What will the world say? What is going on with me? So she was very much in distress. So Mother Yog Maya came and told her that, look, due to divine arrangement, I have actually placed Lord Balram in your womb. It is divine arrangement. Don't be afraid. Nobody will say anything, because I am the one who's done it, and I have done it due to divine instructions. So I have just placed this baby in your womb. And over there in Mathura, the news is that Mother Devaki dropped the child, and now we don't know whether to count this child as a seventh child or not. So the whole counting is thrown off. That, okay, 6 we can count. 6 children were born to Mother Devaki. We can count those. Easy. But now, the 7th one, should we count him as 7 because he got dropped? Or should we count him? Should we not count him? So the 7th one is coming. And 7th or 8th, Krishna comes. So this was an arrangement made so that the count is thrown off. Also, Lord Balram, for his childhood, appears in Gokul. Balram goes first and Krishna comes next. Like when Srila Prabhupada was building the temple in Mayapur, he was building a big building. And devotees were coming, other Gaudiya Math devotees and so many other people. And they were looking at this building, saying, this building doesn't look like a temple. It's like a building like this. And the building doesn't look like a temple. What are you building, Maharaj? So, well, this is an ashram for the devotees to live. So, we thought you were building a temple. And Srila Prabhupada said, what temple? How would Krishna come and reside in the temple if there is no devotees? What will Krishna do? Why do we need a temple if there is no devotees? First of all, there has to be devotees. Devotees have to have a place to live. And then Krishna will also appear. Temple will also manifest. Everything will happen. But first, we have to have devotees. So similarly, Balram comes first, goes into Seva, goes to Gokul, and waits for Krishna to arrive. So the other thing to understand, I want to mention tonight, is the difference between the ages of Srimati Radharani, Krishna, and Balram. So, as you know, if today is Balram appearance or yesterday, then within 8 days Krishna will appear. And within 15 days of Krishna's appearance, 14-15 days of Krishna's appearance, Radharani will appear. So That is the days. But now, years. People think that there is years of difference between them. But according to Srila Prabhupada, three of them appeared kind of together. So from today or yesterday, Radhashtami is how far? 14 days plus 8 days, about 22 days. So within a matter of 22 days, three of these major appearances are going to take place. So according to Srila Prabhupada, it is the same year. They appear in the same year. People don't understand that. How can, because they are both known to be Devaki's sons. Krishna is Devaki Nandan, Balram is also Devaki Nandan. Krishna is Vasudev, Balram is also Vasudev. Balram is also referred to as Vasudev because he is the son of Vasudev. So how is that possible? 8 days, Mother Devaki giving birth again. No, there is another womb going. Although Mother Devaki kept Balram in her womb for 7 months, but when he was transferred as a fetus, according to his Leela, when he was transferred into the womb of Mother Rohini carried him again for the whole term. Not that he is already 7 months and he is in my womb, so I am going to give him birth in 2 months. No, of course, nothing is under her control, but according to the divine plan, she carried him for the whole 9 months again. So Balram, Lord Balram appears a little bit ahead of Krishna. So if you see the paintings of Krishna Balram in the Hindu system, the Hindus make the paintings depict Krishna and Balram. They will always show them 1 year apart. In Hindi we say 1 year chhot badai. One is 1 year older and one is 1 year younger. But that is not the right thing. In ISKCON paintings, our depictions, everywhere you would see Krishna and Balram just about the same age. Of course, he is called Dauji, he is the older brother, and he is older by 8 days. Not 1 year and 8 days. He is only older by 8 days. Also, with Srimati Radharani, many people say, oh, Srimati Radharani was older to Krishna. She appeared much before. Some people even say that Srimati Radharani was a whole generation older. Some people say she was 2 years older. Some people say she was 5 years older. But she is actually younger to Krishna. Of course, these personalities are divine and they don't really have an age. But just a matter of when they appear in this world. So if I ask you, what is your age? You may say, oh, I am 23-year-old Prabhuji. But is that really your age? Or is that the age of your body? Whose age is it? It is the age of the body. So how old are you? Because you're not the body, are you? Huh? Are you the body? Yeah, 2 minutes ruk jao. So the thing to understand is that Radharani is actually 2 weeks younger to Krishna. If you see any, most of the Mathura temples, other temples, Hindu temples, they even show on the altar Radharani a little bit taller to Krishna. Her mukut would be a little higher than Krishna, because they're trying to show that Radharani is older to Krishna. But Srila Prabhupada said no. Jeev Goswami said no. Jeev Goswami referred to Srimad Bhagavatam and said that in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Shukdev Goswami has said that Krishna and Balram are teething together. So, Jeev Goswami says, if they're teething together, that means they are same age. Because if they're 1 year apart, if two children are 1 year apart, they cannot be teething together. They can only be teething together if they are the same age. So, these are 2 points that I wanted to contribute for you.